Hello, tech-savvy friends. Today, we're diving into the world of Windows troubleshooting. We're specifically dealing with the common issue that many Windows 10 and 11 users face: the Windows security not working properly. First things first, let's identify the problem. Is your Windows security not updating? Or maybe it's giving you errors when you try to open it. You might have encountered a screen flashing error SOD if your antivirus is interfering with your operating system. Before we dive into, subscribe the channel for more tech solutions. Now, try Soma Solutions. 1. Give your computer a much-needed reboot. Sometimes, the issue can be as simple as a misbehaving process or system file. A reboot can sort this out. 2. Make sure you're running the latest Windows updates and drivers. These updates can fix bugs in your operating system and prevent conflicts with your antivirus software. 3. Try uninstalling and reinstalling your antivirus software to see if that resolves the issue. Also, ensure that your antivirus is compatible with Windows 10 or 11, depending on which version you're using. 4. In case all else fails, consider temporarily disabling your antivirus to see if the issue persists without it running in the background. If disabling it resolves the issue, then you may need to uninstall and reinstall it to use it again safely alongside your operating system. Remember, keeping your Windows security up to date is crucial for keeping your computer secure and protected from harmful software or viruses. That's all for today. I hope these tips help you fix your Windows security issues. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and hacks. Until next time, stay safe and happy computing.